Lists of companies at Zippia. Lists of 100 companies in every U.S. state at zippia.com. Near the bottom of the page, click a state, no websites. A list of Alabama companies at zippia.com/company/best-companies-Alabama 1. AAA Cooper Transportation. Abaco Systems. Adtran. AIM Mail Centers. Alabama Power. Alabama National Bank Corporation. Alabama Department of Insurance. Alltech. Amirex. American Apparel. American Family Care. American Buildings. American Cast Iron Pipe Company. American Printing Company. Ask Telemarketing. Auburn University. Avagen. Bajaj Konagle. Ballard County. Baptist Medical Center South. BBVA Compass. BENK. Bell Media. BL Harbert International. Burr and Foreman. Carr, Riggs, and Ingram. CFD Research. Cherry. City of Montgomery. CNHI. Colazo Enterprises. Collier Nursing Service. Comfort Keepers. Computer Programs and Systems. CRC Insurance Services. Coleman Regional Medical Center. Deltacom. Drummond. Dyntex. EBSCO Industries. Education Corporation of America. Encompass Health. Energen. Enterprises. EPL. Gadsden Regional Medical Center. Gemstone. Hibet Sports. Highlands Medical Center. Huntsville Water Pollution. Huntsville Hospital. Infinity Insurance. Intergraph. Jack's Family Restaurants. Jackson Hospital. Jefferson County Schools. Kwajalein Range Services. McWayne. Mercedes-Benz US International. Mesa Associates. Metro Bank. Motion Industries. MSSI. Navcare. National Security Group. National Commerce. New Technology. North American Bus Industries. Atelco. Pico Foods. Pfeiffer Incorporated. Protective Life. Radiance Technologies. Ramtool. Realty South. Regions Bank. Retirement Systems of Alabama. Rise Real Estate. Robbins and Morton. SB. Science and Engineering Services. SDC. Shelby County Schools. Southern Research. Southern Mechanical. Southern Comfort Conversions. SPM. Teledyne Brown Engineering. The University of Alabama. Thompson Tractor. Torch Technologies. UAB, the University of Alabama at Birmingham. University of South Alabama. Vaughn Regional Medical Center. Vulcan Materials Company. Vulcan. WEPA. Wiggins Childs Quinpantases. Wise Alloys. Ulista Holding. A list of Alaska companies at zippia.com/company/best-companies-Alaska. Lists of 100 companies by field from zippia.com/company, no websites. You can get the website company by clicking on Overview for any company. If you click on one of the following fields, you'll get a list of companies in that field. You can click a state at the bottom of the page, then click one of these fields. Agriculture. Automotive. Biggest. Construction. Education. Energy. Finance. Government. Healthcare. Hospitality. Insurance. Internet. Manufacturing. Media. Non-profits. Pharmaceutical. Professional. Real estate. Retail. Startup. Technology. Telecommunication. Transportation. Utilities. Zippia has these lists of companies, but they put their websites on separate pages so that under the company name, click Overview to get the company website or just type it into a search engine like this. Acme Company Website. A list of agriculture companies at zippia.com/company/agriculture. Apelli Fire and Restoration. Agco. Agrium US. American Sugar Refining. American Crystal Sugar Company. Amic Farms. Black Gold Farm. Blaine Larson Farms. Blue Diamond Growers. Bold House Farms. Bonita Bay Community Association. California Giant Berry Farms. Capella Space. Christensen Farms. Columbia Farms. Cooperative Resources International. Costa Farms. Crop Production Services. CTB. Cumberland Farms. Dairy Farmers of America. Dory Gold. De Grand Champ Farms. Earthbound Farm. Emerald Dairy. Fair Oaks Farms. Family Farms. Fig. Fisher Farms. Fleet Farm. Foster Farms. Frank Implement Company. Fresh Del Monte Produce. Front Range Biosciences. Full Circle Farm. Gerlich Farms. Gavilan. Glencore. Grimway Farms. Growmark. Harris Farms. House of Rayford Farms. International Food Policy Research Institute. Intrepid Potash. Joseph Gallo Farms. Kent. Knott's Berry Farm. Livestock Investors. Lundberg Family Farms. Mayfield Dairy Farms. Mendocino Farms. Merrill's Blueberry Farms. MFA. Mountain Pine Landscape Services. Murphy Brown. Ocean Mist Farms. Ocean Spray Cranberries. Organic Valley. Pat Chappell Farms. People Link. Purdue Farms. Pioneer Hybrid International. Prairie Farms Dairy. Premium Standard Farms. Prestige Farms. Quail H Farms. Reynolds Plantation. Riceland Foods. Rich Products. River Ridge Farms. Riviana Foods. Roberts. Royal Farms. Rundell Ernstberger Associates. S&R Egg Farms. Sanderson Farms. Seminize. Snake River Sugar Company. Standard Wellness Company. State Farm. Sugar. Sunset Farms. Sunsweet Growers. T&P Farms. Taylor Farms. Teesdale Farms. Telvent DTN. The Growers Company. The Mosaic Company. Triple Point Technology. 2 Farms. U.S. Urban GRO. Valent U.S.A. Valley View Farms. Van Drunen Farms. Velda Farms. Waxco. Weymouth Farms. Western Sugar Cooperative. Wilson Farm.